Hi everyone, apa khabar semua? How are you guys doing? Zarina here and we have another new video today. Before we start, I just want to highlight that this site is for those who wants to speak Malay fluently, just like natives like myself. And don't forget to subscribe, click like, write comments and hit that notification bell. Today we will learn the pronoun dia, which means he or she. It is a third-person singular pronoun, and in Malay, there is no gender specification for the word dia as in English. You have to understand the whole context whom the speaker refers to. Okay, just like in the previous lessons of first and second pronouns, which is saya and awak, the meaning of the pronoun dia changes slightly based on its location in a phrase or sentence. So dia could mean he, she, him, her, his or hers. Well, let's start with dia, which means he or she. Dia ni awak, this is you, while pointing to a photo, for example. Tu dia, that is he or that is she. Here the word ni is a short form of the word ini in Malay, which means this, itu, and means that. We use ni and tu a lot when we speak casually. More examples are dia dah makan, he or she ate already. Dia belum tidur, he or she is not asleep yet. Dia sibuk, he or she is busy. Dia lapar, he or she is hungry. Dia takut mati, he or she is afraid of dying. Next is for possession. Dia means his or her. Baju dia, his or her clothes. Basikal dia, his or her bicycle. Anak dia, his or her child. Sekolah dia, his or her school. Kasut dia, his or her shoes. There is another way to say about possession in Malay. Formally, we use ini milik dia, ini kepunyaan dia, which means this is his or this is hers. But casually, colloquially, we normally say like this: ni dia punya yang ni, or dia punya ni, instead of ini dia punya. All the above means the same. This is his or this is hers. You can replace ni or ini with tu and itu for that. Itu milik dia. Itu kepunyaan dia. Colloquially we say tu dia punya. Itu dia punya. Dia punya yang tu. Dia punya tu. Notice that itu becomes tu and we drop the word yang altogether. This is not strange because colloquially many words are dropped or abbreviated based on context. All the above means that is his or that is hers. The next examples are for dia, which means him or her. Jangan pukul dia. Do not hit him or her. Belanja dia makan. Treat him or her a meal. Main dengan dia. Play with her or him. We have come to the end of the lesson. I hope this will be very useful for you and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Terima kasih.